They all went down, yeah.
It's all that shape right now.
Try it.
If you go down there.
No, you don't go down that one. You've seen it from the bottom, haven't you? Like,
You were standing right next to it and it was like
wow. Go on. Ready? Go! Nice and deep. Not too deep though. Touch my leg. Nice one. This is the top of Rio Peter Wolf Waterfall. And that little bit goes right on. All the bromeliads, says Maya, right up on that tree. Lots of bromeliads. Jackie was asking about you.
Now just throw yourself. Look at it happen.
Bit high, up along here.